Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. The BRP Antonio Luna FF-151 sails through the waters like a sentinel, a living testament to the Philippines' ambition to defend its sovereignty and protect its people. From the moment its hull cuts through the waves, the ship exudes a quiet power, a blend of steel and strategy, a modern marvel in the Philippine Navy's growing arsenal. Every line, every curve of its exterior, tells a story of meticulous engineering, careful planning, and a nation's determination to rise in strength amidst a challenging maritime landscape. As the sun glimmers on its deck, the Antonio Luna reflects not just light, but purpose. Its presence commands attention in every harbor, every coastline it approaches. This vessel is more than metal and machinery. It is a symbol of national pride, a guardian of territorial integrity, and a tangible expression of decades of naval strategy finally brought to life. Watching it maneuver, one realizes that every motion is calculated, every engine roar a promise to those who sail aboard that they are part of something greater than themselves. From its advanced radar systems that scan the horizon for the faintest hint of movement, to its weapons systems calibrated for precision and deterrence, the Antonio Luna demonstrates the Philippines' commitment to security. The ship's sensors and communication arrays work tirelessly, silently analyzing the environment, coordinating with other vessels, aircraft, and command centers, forming a seamless network of vigilance that spans the vast waters of the nation's maritime domain. Inside, the crew moves with discipline, a choreography born of rigorous training and experience. Each sailor, from the youngest cadet to the seasoned officer, knows the weight of their responsibility. The bridge is a hive of activity and calm authority at the same time, where decisions are made in seconds that could define the outcome of a confrontation, a rescue mission, or a strategic deployment. The ship's corridors echo with purposeful footsteps, the mechanical hum of life support systems and engines reminding all on board that this is not just a vessel, it is a home, a fortress, and a mission rolled into one. The Antonio Luna is built to project power, yes, but also to safeguard life. Its hull and design reflect lessons learned from countless naval operations worldwide. Anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine systems coexist with advanced navigation and threat detection, ensuring that it can respond to multiple challenges simultaneously. But beyond the technology, there is something intangible aboard this frigate, a sense of duty, an awareness that the waters it sails are not just ocean, but lifelines of trade, security, and human endeavor. When the ship deploys, its wake ripples across the ocean like a brushstroke on a living canvas. Each turn, each tactical maneuver, showcases the agility and precision designed into its very frame. Exercises, drills, and simulated engagements are not mere training, they are rehearsals for reality, where the crew hones instincts, tests responses, and forges bonds that can mean life or death in moments of conflict. In these drills, the Antonio Luna is a teacher, a guide, and a proving ground for the courage and expertise of its personnel. Yet, the ship's mission is not always about confrontation. It sails in times of calm, in missions of rescue, humanitarian aid, and presence. Its sensors can detect a drifting vessel in distress, its medical facilities can stabilize injured hands, its communications can coordinate help across vast distances. The Antonio Luna is a reminder that naval strength is measured not only in firepower, but in the ability to protect and assist, to stand vigilant not just for borders, but for human life. At night, when the lights of the deck glimmer against the dark waters, there is a solemn beauty in the vessel's silhouette. It becomes a quiet guardian, watching over islands, straits, and coasts. Its radar and sonar sweep in silent rhythm, the crew alert, the ship humming with controlled energy. The night may be long, the threats uncertain, but aboard the Antonio Luna, there is readiness. Every sailor, every system, every calculated response forms a network of confidence that reassures not just the nation, but those who call the seas home. The frigate's history, though young, carries significance. It represents the culmination of international collaboration, advanced engineering, and a nation's resolve to maintain maritime sovereignty. Every component, from propulsion systems to missile launchers, tells of global lessons adapted to local needs. This is a ship designed not just to defend, but to operate in complex environments, respond to crises, and serve as a beacon of modern naval capability in Southeast Asia. Standing on deck, looking out over endless horizons, one feels the weight of responsibility and the thrill of purpose. The ocean is vast, unpredictable, and sometimes unforgiving, but the Antonio Luna moves with confidence, carrying the hopes of a nation and the discipline of those who serve. Its engines resonate like a heartbeat, steady and strong, a reminder that behind every sensor, every system, every tactical maneuver, there is human dedication and a commitment to duty. In every port it docks, in every mission it undertakes, the Antonio Luna leaves an impression. Citizens see more than a ship. They see ambition, resilience, and the tangible realization of national strategy. Young cadets aspire to be part of its crew, engineers marvel at its design, and strategists study its capabilities. It is a learning ground, a source of inspiration, and a living monument to what determination and vision can achieve. The realism of the Antonio Luna lies not only in its engineering but in the lives it touches and the security it provides. It is a tool, yes, but also a symbol, a reminder that a nation's safety, pride, and future often ride on the back of dedicated personnel and disciplined machinery. The ship is precise, formidable, and constantly evolving, reflecting a navy that understands the stakes and embraces the responsibilities of the seas. From dawn exercises to nighttime patrols, from humanitarian missions to strategic deployments, the BRP Antonio Luna FF-151 embodies versatility and purpose. It is designed to respond, protect, and inspire. Every operation demonstrates not just technological prowess, but the human courage that animates every system aboard. The ship is alive with intention, a fusion of mechanics and morale, steel and spirit. As waves break against its bow and the sun sets across its deck, one cannot help but feel awe. This vessel is a story in motion, a narrative of engineering excellence, strategic foresight, and human dedication. It is proof that the seas are not just waters, but stages for ambition, vigilance, and service. Each mission, each maneuver, each ripple in its wake is a statement, a declaration that the Philippines is present, capable, and committed to safeguarding its future. Watching the BRP Antonio Luna FF-151 glide across the horizon, there is both humility and pride. Humility in recognizing the vastness of the ocean and the challenges it holds, and pride in witnessing a nation's technological and strategic aspirations manifest in a living, breathing instrument of maritime security. It is a vessel that teaches, protects, inspires, and reassures. It is not just a ship, it is a testament, a guardian, and a promise kept to every citizen who looks to the seas and dreams of security, stability, and honor. The Antonio Luna is more than a frigate. It is a mission, a mindset, and a marker of national ambition. Its story is ongoing, every deployment a chapter, every mission a verse. As the waves continue to lap against its hull and the sun rises and sets, the ship sails on, unwavering, steadfast, and resolute. In its wake, it leaves not just water, but a legacy, a reminder that a nation's strength is measured in vision, discipline, and the courage to act when the tides demand it. In the end, to watch the BRP Antonio Luna FF-151 in motion is to witness a convergence of purpose, technology, and human dedication. It is to see the embodiment of national pride, a tangible reflection of what determination, planning, and collaboration can achieve. Every sonar ping, every radar sweep, every command on the bridge resonates with meaning. It is a frigate that carries with it the hopes, security, and aspirations of a nation, an enduring symbol of vigilance, readiness, and the courage to face the unknown.